How do these components communicate to each other? How does the RAM talk to the CPU? How does the CPU talk to the hard drive? How do all these components communicate to each other? That is what we're going to find out next. When we communicate, we use letters from the alphabet, which is like A, B, C, D, E, F. In our body, our genes use just 4 letters: A, T, G, and C. If you see my earlier videos on DNA, you'll see exactly what I mean. We communicate with 26 letters. Our body communicates with 4 letters. So how do computers communicate? Computers communicate with just 2 digits. Ones and zeros. How does the CPU talk to the hard drive? How does the RAM talk to the CPU? How does the hard drive talk to the graphic card? How do all these components communicate? Information goes to the computer as ones and zeros. So what do these ones and zeros actually mean? This CPU contains billions of transistors. The CPU in this iMac has 16 billion transistors in such a small space. And transistors are just switches that go on and off. On, off, on, off. On, off, on, off. And the CPUs are just full of transistors. But what do these ones and zeros actually mean? Yeah, trust me, obviously, because I'm chopping up this. That would be way. Imagine these are transistors. They're switches that turn on and off. That one's really bright. That one's really bright. That one's quite bright. In these ones and zeros, the 1 means on and the 0 means off. 1, 0, 0. It's like a pattern, Daddy. 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. This CPU contains billions of transistors going on and off. This is a copper wire. It brings electric current into the computer. When current flows, it's a 1. When there's no current, it's a 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the letter L. When I press the letter L, 1s and 0s go to the CPU. These 0s and 1s represent the letter L. Off, on, off, off, on, off, off. This group of 0s and 1s spells the letter L. Now I'm going to type the letter A. A is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the letter A in binary language. I'm going to type the letter H. A signal sent from the keyboard to the CPU in ones and zeros. H, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. That means I have to turn this switch on, this switch on. The two switches are on for the letter H. This is the letter R. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Bum, bum, bum. Another one. Addition. This is a binary chart. This is the letter I. Off, on, off, off, on, off, off, on, and in ones and zeros. And this is the last letter A. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And that's the letter A. This spells Lara, the best word in the world. That's all what transistors are. Switches. In this CPU, there are billions of switches going on and off per second, just like this below us.